This old guy DIY video has to do with a solution for a rear hatch handle that falls off of a Tahoe or Suburban, whether due to vibration from subwoofers, for example, or just life in general. But when the part comes, this is a replacement part that was bought on eBay. And the back has two little notches where the other receiving piece goes in, and all that holds the thing in the notch is a little pin that's pressed in. So in the course of life, that little pin vibrates loose and then falls out, and your handle either comes off or just hangs there halfway. So what I've done is I measured that thing, and it's about 5/16 in diameter, and I found some heavy wire that's 5/16 in diameter. So I cut two pieces that will lay on top of each other inside the handle. You simply take one piece and insert it so it comes over here when you're holding it up against the truck. Then you put the other piece in, and when they're laying there, they look something like this. And then all you have to do is put one zip tie inside and tie them together, and then that thing will be there for the duration, no matter how much vibration it takes in the course of its life. So I'll put it together right now and take another picture. So when the two pieces of wire are inserted, I'm trying to get some light in there, you can see that they go through. That's where that mating piece that's on the door handle right now will be. So the wires go through those slots, and you can see where these two S's come together. And you just put a zip tie around that, and that'll hold forever. Because the zip tie takes the beating and keeps the pieces of wire forced to the outside. And that handle should last even after the truck is rotted away. Have a good day. This is what the receiving side of the handle looks like. So these are the two studs that are going to fall into the handle. When I went to install this on the truck, I found it was tougher than I expected. So I ended up just grinding the end down so it looks like the end of a nail. As far as that goes, if you don't have wire, you might be able to just find a nail that's the right size and bend it in this shape. But once I sharpened that point, installation became much easier. So this is what it looks like installed before I put the zip tie in. And that's what it looks like zip tied in place, ready to take a beating. So I hope this idea helps you out. Have a good day.